Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce this. Oh no, this! Richard is the most famous chemistry teacher in Taiwan.
Hi everybody, famous chem teacher, but poor English.
It's okay, I can handle English. I believe you know its name. Yes, this is the most popular ingredient in our daily meals. But do you know how many ways to cook an egg? Okay, Richard, now repeat after me.
Okay,
Boil your egg.
boil your egg.
Sunny side up egg.
Sunny side up egg.
Overwell egg.
Overwhelm egg.
Scramble eggs.
Scrambled eggs.
Poached egg.
Poached egg.
Omelette.
Omelette.
Richard, I think you need more practices on your pronunciation.
I don't think so.
By the way, how would you like your eggs?
Oh, I like eggs very much.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I just kidding you. Claire, my English ability is not as poor as you think.
Really? What would
Exactly.
you like to eat?
Actually, I like fried eggs, especially overwhelm.
Nice.
How about you?
I like scrambled eggs.
Claire, I'm a chemist, so it's my turn to test you. Do you know what happens to eggs when they are soaked in vinegar? Okay, what's the main component of an eggshell?
Well, your questions have stumped me.
It's okay, let's watch a short film to see what happens when eggs are soaked in vinegar.
Hello, welcome to Life Science. I'm introducing you a film of an egg in vinegar. So we need vinegar, we need an egg and a big container.
Okay, now I soak the egg in vinegar. You will see many bubbles on the surface of eggshell. That means the reaction of acid and carbonate is undergoing.
You may feel it is very disgusting, right? Actually, me too. These bubbles are similar to gas from soda water and cola. Do you know what this is? Yes, it's carbon dioxide. As the time passes by, the eggshell will dissolve gradually. And I should tell you, the vinegar usually contains 3 or 5% of acetic acid. But all kinds of acid can have such similar reaction.
If you leave the egg overnight or the time is long enough, then all the eggshell will disappear. So we can get a transparent egg in the end, and it is very beautiful. Do you know the main component of an eggshell? I'll give a hint. It's very common in our daily life.
I once knocked over a bottle of vinegar on the floor of my home. There were small bubbles on the ground. I was so scared. Is this similar to the components of tiles?
You are right. The composition of an eggshell is similar to that of a marble. Most have calcium carbonate. When calcium carbonate meets an acidic solution, it produces carbon dioxide gas, which is the small bubble we see in the film.
Is carbon dioxide common in daily life?
Of course. One more question. Do you know the property of carbon dioxide?
Can it help in burning, or is it soluble in water?
Only oxygen can help in burning. Do you know the chemical in fire extinguisher? Let's do an experiment and you will see.
Gosh, I haven't been to a lab for a long time. Shall we leave now?
No need to go anywhere. We can do this experiment here.
Welcome to Richard's virtual lab. Chemistry experiments are not only interesting but also very dangerous. But here, we can do experiments very safely. We can zoom in, we can also zoom out. You can see, you can choose any angle you like. Everybody, this is the most beautiful and clean lab I've been. In the lab, small amount of carbon dioxide can be prepared by the following steps. But the setup process is a little bit complicated. So I just show you directly. Okay? First, you should choose an acid, such as hydrochloric acid or acetic acid, onto white solid. That is calcium carbonate. Soon you can see many bubbles produced. That means the chemical reaction is undergoing. You can also collect the gas in another bottle. The question is, the bubble is transparent. How could we see? Here we use the animation to show you the gas that the blue bubbles you see here. We know carbon dioxide does not have combustion, so carbon dioxide is used in some fire extinguisher. Here we can use the light match to test it. You can see the fire extinguished very quickly. In my lab, you can test it as many times as you like without any waste and pollution. In science language, we can write down the reaction as the following equation. The symbols here will be introduced more carefully in the periodical table. You may love it or hate it in the future. This is calcium carbonate. This is hydrochloric acid and calcium chloride, and water and carbon dioxide.
Now that you know the production and property of carbon dioxide, so Claire, would you like to make some transparent eggs?
Of course. Get an egg and some table vinegar. Let's try it together.
Okay, let's go.